Hello everyone. Today we will discuss something important about the crypto trading. Okay. First of all, you should know that crypto trading is a very risky business activity. If you are entering into the crypto market or trading in the cryptocurrency to make some profits, you should know that it is very risky and there is high volatility in the crypto market. First of all, and second thing is, even if you make the profit in the cryptocurrency, still you have to pay 30% tax to the government plus 4% cess. That amounts to 31.2% tax which you are paying to the government. Okay, so a large part of your profit will be taken away by the government. Okay, even if you are earning that money by risking your capital. Basically, let's understand it with an example. Let's say the sale value of the bitcoins is 2 lakh rupees, right? And you have made the profit of 70,000 rupees. It doesn't matter whether you have made short term capital gain or long term capital gain, it is taxed at the same rate. Okay, but in equities, short term capital gain and long term capital gains are taxed differentiately. Okay, but in cryptocurrency, you will be taxed at the rate of 30% plus 4% cess. Okay, so in this case, we have made a profit of 70,000 rupees on the bitcoins. Now there will be tax of 30% plus 4% cess, that is 21,840 rupees. It means on the profit of 70,000 rupees you have to pay 21,840 rupees to the government. Okay, and second thing is, if the sale value transactions of the cryptocurrency sale exceeds 50,000 rupees, okay, if the sale value exceeds 50,000 rupees, the exchange will deduct TDS at the rate of 1% from your sale value. Let's say the sale value is 2 lakh rupees. So in this case, 2,000 rupees will be deducted by the exchange and it will be deposited to the government on your behalf. While filing your income tax return, you can deduct that amount from your total tax payable. Okay. For the meanwhile, it will be deducted and deposited to the government. The reason is government comes to know that you have done the crypto transactions and you do not escape the profit, the tax on the profit part. So that's why the TDS is deducted. Okay. And the most important part is that you cannot deduct the loss from the one cryptocurrency from the profit of the another cryptocurrency. For example, you made a profit on bitcoins, but you have made the loss in Ethereum. Okay, both of them will be taxed separately. No tax will be levied on the Ethereum because you have made the loss, but in Bitcoin, if you have made the profit, you have to pay the taxes. The loss of Ethereum cannot be deducted from the profits of the bitcoins. That is the most important part that you have to understand. That is, the loss from one cryptocurrency cannot be set off against the profit of another cryptocurrency. It means the rules are very strict. Okay. First of all, it is very difficult to make money in the cryptocurrency. Even if you make the profit, still you have to pay 31.2% tax on your income. And third, the loss of one cryptocurrency cannot be set off against the profit of another cryptocurrency. However, if you have done two or three trades in a particular day and you have made a loss in one or two trades but made a profit in one trade in the same currency, let's say Bitcoin, then you can set off your loss from the profit of that cryptocurrency, but it cannot be set off against another cryptocurrency's profit. Understood? So this is what you have to understand about the crypto trading before entering into this market. But if you ask me about my personal opinion, it's better to avoid crypto trading if you are not psychologically prepared and handling the taxes. So you should be entering into the peaceful way of investing. That is, you can invest in the stocks or mutual funds for long term investing to compound your money basically. And one more positive point about the stocks and mutual funds is that if you invest in that market for more than 1 year, okay, that will become a long term capital gain and you can get the tax exemption of 1.2 lakh 25 sorry 1.25 lakhs rupees exemption. Suppose you have made a long term capital gain of 2 lakh rupees in stocks or mutual funds after 1 year. So if you sell them and your profit will be 2 lakh rupees, then you can deduct 1.25 lakh rupees as an exemption from that 2 lakh rupees and you have to pay tax on 75,000 rupees only to the government, and that too tax at the rate of 12.5% plus 4% cess. But in crypto, you are paying 31.2% tax to the government. Okay, so you have to think about it whether you want to chase quick money or whether you want delayed gratification. Okay, my personal opinion is to go toward the stocks and the mutual funds. You will make more money and it is peaceful, taxes are low, brokerages are low, so everything is in your favor. Okay, so prepare your finances accordingly.